Are you looking to boost your website conversions with social proof widgets? In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to A/B test social proof widgets with Proof, an easy-to-use platform that can take your website's engagement to the next level. Stick around, because by the end, you'll have a clear idea of how to run these tests effectively to increase conversions and create trust with your audience. First off, let's break down what Proof does. Proof is a platform that lets you add real-time social proof notifications to your website. This means showing potential customers that others are making purchases, signing up for services, or taking action. When implemented correctly, it creates a sense of urgency and trust, two key ingredients to boost conversion rates. But here's the deal. To make sure these widgets are actually working, you need to A/B test them. A/B testing is crucial to understand which widget design, message, or even timing works best for your audience. So let's dive in. First, you'll need to sign up for Proof and install the software on your website. If you're new to Proof, don't worry. It's user-friendly and takes just a few steps to integrate with your platform. Once you've got it set up, the next step is to create different variations of your social proof widget. You can experiment with things like the text on the widget, the color, the message, or the type of social proof you display, whether it's recent purchases, sign-ups, or live activity. The real magic happens when you set up your A/B tests. Proof allows you to easily create two or more variations of your social proof widget and split traffic between them to see which performs better. This can be done in just a few clicks. Make sure to keep your testing consistent. This means running tests on the same page with similar traffic sources and for a sufficient amount of time to gather accurate data. When running the test, you'll want to focus on key metrics like click-through rates, form submissions, and actual purchases. These are the things that will tell you whether the widget is pushing people to take action. Don't just go by the numbers. Dig deeper into how different types of social proof resonate with your audience. For instance, does showing 5 people just bought this product work better than displaying 10 people signed up for this webinar? The only way to know is by testing. Now, here's a key tip. It's essential to test one variable at a time. If you're changing the design, don't change the message at the same time. This way, you'll know exactly what change made the difference. You don't want to confuse the results by making too many changes all at once. Another thing to keep in mind is timing. Proof's widgets allow you to control when these social proof notifications show up, whether immediately after the page loads or after a few seconds. This timing can impact the user experience, so test different timings to see what feels the most natural and engaging without feeling too intrusive. Once your A/B test is running, it's time to analyze the results. Proof provides real-time analytics so you can easily track how each variation is performing. Look for which one is driving the most conversions and focus on tweaking that specific version. After a test runs for a sufficient time and you've got solid data, you'll have a clear idea of which social proof strategy works best for your audience. Lastly, if you want to take things to the next level, you can integrate Proof with other platforms like your email marketing tools or CRM to target users based on their behavior. For example, show a different social proof notification to a first-time visitor versus a returning customer. Personalization can significantly increase engagement and conversions. Now, before you go, here's an exclusive offer for you. You can use Proof completely free from the first link below, with our exclusive bonus access. This extended free trial will give you the chance to try out A/B testing with social proof widgets and see firsthand how it can improve your conversions. So, if you're ready to increase your website's credibility and trust with your audience, give Proof a try today and make sure you're testing your social proof widgets to optimize performance.